Baby Bot.
Have fun, kids!
Baby Bots, back your tails. Let's find that bird. She's making a nest. Oh no! The bird is so tired. Oh no! Don't worry, bird. We'll make a nest for you. It's a secret gift. Yeah, we made the nest. Wait a minute. This nest is boring. Let's make the best nest in the world. How about a bird bath in the bird nest? With sticks and leaves. Or a fancy nest with baby bottles for baby birds. With sticks and leaves. Or a sleepy nest for sleeping. With lullaby music. With sticks and leaves. Our secret nest is ready. What's up, bird lovers? Elliot! We're going to see if the bird likes our nest. She's coming this way. Huh?
Stretch! Huh? Oh, ouch!
Where'd she go? She chose the boring nest? She doesn't look bored, Cowie. She looks happy? Happy! She's happy!
Wow! This is so nice!
You like our nest?
Of course! Ouch! Just what I need to unwind. After a long yoga session. Ow. Ow.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.
That was fun!